Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Ever wonder if your shiny new electric vehicle needs the same kind of maintenance as your old gas guzzler? Spoiler alert, it absolutely doesn't. And that's what we're diving into today, the unique world of EV maintenance. Now, I know what you're thinking, electric cars are simple. No oil changes, no spark plugs, what's to maintain? Well, while it's true that EVs have fewer moving parts than their gas-powered counterparts, that doesn't mean they're maintenance-free. Think of it this way, even a super-efficient NASA electric motor, and yes, NASA developing motors that are 10 times more powerful than traditional car engines with efficiency exceeding 98%, still needs some TLC. They're pushing the boundaries of what's possible, but even cutting-edge technology requires care. Let's start with the obvious, no more oil changes. That's a huge win for your wallet and the environment. But what does need attention? Well, your electric car's battery is the heart of the operation, and it's a complex piece of technology that needs regular care. Think of it like a high-performance athlete, needs regular checkups to stay in peak condition. Regular inspections are crucial for things like cell balance, thermal management, and overall health. While the specifics depend on the manufacturer and model, keeping an eye on your battery's state of charge and avoiding extreme temperatures are vital. Leaving your EV sitting fully charged or completely drained for extended periods isn't ideal, just like constantly running a marathon without rest isn't great for a human body. Next, let's talk tires. EVs are often heavier than their gas-powered counterparts, putting more stress on the tires. This means you might need to replace them more frequently, or at least monitor their tread depth more closely. Also, remember those regenerative braking systems that help recharge the battery? They put extra wear and tear on your brake pads, so those will likely need replacing sooner as well. Now, I know we've all heard about the debates surrounding electric vehicles and the environment and the government's involvement in regulations and incentives. We've seen bills like S.1574 making their way through Congress and ongoing discussions about the future of gas-powered vehicles and the transition to EVs, but those legislative details are beyond the scope of today's video. What's important is understanding that your EV requires specific attention. Furthermore, while the EPA focuses on emissions from gas-powered vehicles through inspection and maintenance programs, which are crucial for air quality, electric vehicles have a different environmental impact story. The manufacturing process of batteries, for example, has environmental implications that are actively being researched and addressed by various organizations. What about the electrical system itself? Because electric cars rely heavily on electricity, regular checks of the charging system, wiring, and other electrical components are critical. A faulty connection or a problem with the charging port could leave you stranded, and that's never fun. Think of it as regularly checking the plumbing in your house. You wouldn't want a sudden leak to flood your basement, right? We also need to address the climate. Extreme temperatures, both hot and cold, can impact your EV's battery performance and range. In cold weather, for example, the battery's efficiency can decrease, meaning you might not get as far on a single charge. Similarly, extreme heat can also degrade the battery over time. So, keeping your car in a garage or shaded area during extreme weather is a smart preventative measure. Think of it like protecting your skin from the harsh sun. You wouldn't want premature aging, right? Now, while the Fuel Economy website offers great tips for maximizing your EV's range, remember that regular maintenance is key to ensuring that you're getting the most out of your vehicle. Keeping your car in top shape can significantly impact its performance and longevity. So, to summarize, while an electric car's maintenance is different from a gas car's, it's still crucial. Regular checkups focusing on the battery, tires, brakes, and electrical system are key. Paying attention to temperature extremes is also vital for optimal performance and battery longevity. The lack of oil changes is a bonus, but don't let that lull you into a false sense of security. Now, before we wrap up, I want to ask you a favor. If you found even one useful nugget in this video, or had a chuckle along the way, hitting that like button really helps tell YouTube this content is valuable, helping others find it too. It takes a second but means a lot. And hey, if you want to keep diving deep into topics like this and stay ahead of the curve, make sure you're subscribed and hit that notification bell. We've got more insights coming your way. Creating these detailed videos takes a ton of research and time. If you get value from this work and want to support the channel directly, there's a PayPal link in the description below. Every little bit helps fuel future content and keeps this channel going strong. No pressure at all, but huge thanks if you do. So, what are your biggest questions about EV maintenance? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, drive safe and keep those batteries charged.